Welcome to Bent Rods of Florida. If you like this video and want more how-tos, please like and subscribe, and comment what fish you're catching around you right now. For our first video, it's going to be an absolute banger, because I'm going to show you how to catch one of Florida's most sought-after freshwater species, the peacock bass. With absolute power and beautiful colors, if you make your way to South Florida, this is an absolute bucket list fish. For my first tip, and really any tip going fishing, you're going to want patience. This is a very stingy fish. Second, this aggressive fish loves anything that has fast-moving action and a side-to-side action that rattles. So anything like a rattle trap or a square bill will work fantastic. The third tip is to use very long, fast retrieves with hard pops. This technique is great for square bills or rattle traps and of course topwater baits. Butterfly peacock bass is not native to Florida. It was introduced in 1984 because scientists needed help to combat the booming populations of invasive species such as tilapia and Oscars that had escaped breeding ponds during hurricanes, and also people releasing them in freshwater canals. Same technique as always. Fast pop and then a sit, fast pop and a sit. Let's sit there for literally 1 second. I love to ambush or anything you can ambush around, like this pipe right here. See that pipe? I love to ambush off stuff like that. Logs, anything, or just like any fish like that. When they're protecting, they won't particularly bite and try to swallow the entire fish. Stuck in there.
Pretty good sized bass. Like a pound and a half. 2 pound might be pushing it. Big dude though. Should be filling out soon. Okay. So, there's 2 peacocks. Might take a couple tries. Take the first shot. Oh, smell it right after it. These fish have very good instincts to go right off the moment. So if you whip it right past them, down again. I just hooked up with one. So set up a great CC contest. It's so interesting. There's nip at it.
One of the best techniques I have found to use is a hard pull action or a pop and then a pause, as shown here in the video. Constantly doing that will definitely get the Peacock Bass to strike, especially if it's bedding down. And this trick is guaranteed to bend your rod. It is purely off of instinct because they hate any time a fish is inside their nest.
Beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful. The fish is so beautiful. Here we go. Beautiful fish. About 3 pounds, and look, I want to show you their mouth in a second, which makes them so interesting. Ooh, Jesus. Come back here, dude. Come back. Don't play games. Come on. Come on. See, their mouth opens up like sideways like that? That's why they just nip the side of your bait sometimes. So actually the more treble hooks I feel like, the better with these dudes. Whip in front of their face. Just pure instinct, and they just slam it. Beautiful fish. I'll wash them off to get a better look. The faster you relax, the faster we
This final tip might make everyone mad. But when you come down to Florida, you might get told that you need to buy live shiners and live bait in order to catch these fish. However, you could use one of the most inexpensive lure, and I bet you have it in your tackle box right now. A simple spoon or a rooster tail works best catching these fish. For this technique, you're going to pitch it out in front of their spawning bed, let it sit down, and pick it up hard, a hard pull for about 3 inches, repeatedly, letting it sit and rest until the natural instinct kicks in, and that fish absolutely demolishes your bait.
Dirty. Oh, thank God. Keep turning off on me before. Alright, let me show you a good look at this fish. Such a beautiful fish. Spawning out right now. See right on his head right now. This is how you know it's a male because they got that hump on top of their head. Very beautiful fish. Absolutely stunning. Probably about 3.5 pounds, 4 pounds maybe. 4 pounds might be pushing, but you know, we're freshmen, we always go up. But it's honestly probably 3.5, maybe not even. Beautiful. Look at that. not going anywhere. You're mine. Okay.
To summarize the 4 tips, stay patient, use fast-moving baits that have a side-to-side action with rattles, do a long, very fast retrieve with hard pops, square bills, rattle traps, and topwater baits, and lastly, if you're using a rooster tail or a spoon, a 4-inch hard pop works best. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and keep the rods bent.